We're here with grade 4 and 5 today. We're about to start a unit on product design and innovation. So this reverse engineering collaboration with grade 11 is the perfect chance for them to take apart some small toys and put them back together and find some improvements. We'll use the techniques from today to practice making our own products, and we'll put together a business pitch to try and sell those at the end of the unit.
Today we had the great opportunity to combine our efforts with the grade 4s and 5s and the DP design students. They are focusing on reverse engineering, which is a corporate strategy taught in diploma design. And we are basically trying to introduce the idea of how innovation comes from these parts that all the products are made from. They've been given the privilege to play with toys at school for a change and then take them apart and start seeing how all of the components work together. Prior to that, they had to make predictions on how these things actually work. So what we have here is them understanding how all of these components play a part in how a thing functions. Now, why do we take it apart? Well, it's to see how we can innovate, how we can improve designs, which is the next phase of what the design process is today. They will say how they can improve a design based on their understanding of all the functionality. The DP design students are coming in at a senior level where they can use their skills that they've acquired in the diploma program and basically level it into a more understandable version for the grade 4s and 5s. So far it's been a really exciting day. We've had lots of energy, lots of fun, lots of excitement, and a really strong showing from the grade 4 and 5s understanding of what innovation is and how it can actually motivate and make toys and all designs a better place in the world.